Hello friends, my name is Abhinav and in this video we will see what is Telnet and how to configure Telnet. So let's start our video. So Telnet is a virtual terminal protocol that allow you to make connection to remote device and gather information and run the program. So by using Telnet you can take a remote access of any other device. So let's understand by the diagram. So I'm going to open Cisco packet tracer and I got a router and I got a PC. Router is connected to PC through UTP cross cable. So these are the IPs which I have assigned this port FA00 and this IP is assigned to this PC. So by using Telnet you can take a remote access of this router through this PC. So you don't have to manually connect the console cable to this router to PC for make any changes in the command. So you can simply take a remote access from this PC to this router and you will simply make any kind of changes inside the router without any physical connection to the router or without using a console cable of the router. And second point is port number 23. So TCP work on port number 23. This is the port number of TCP and the layer is application layer. So it's work on layer 7 OSI model application layer. So these 3 points are the telnet. To take any remote access of the device, work on port number 23 and application layer. Now we will see what is the configuration, how to configure telnet. So these are the command which we will use to configure telnet. So let's try to understand what are these command. So I'm going to first we will check the IP address of this router. Enable config show IP interface brief. So we will see the IP address 10.0.0.1 is assigned to this interface and this IP is assigned to this PC. So first we will check the connectivity between router and PC. So PING router IP 10.0.0.1. So I am going to pin router IP from the PC. There is a perfect reachability between router and PC. We are getting back reply packet from the router. It means the reachability is connection between router and PC is perfectly established. Now I am going to configure a telnet configuration. First we have to change host name. So I am going to assign host name R1. Then we have to enable the password. Without password you can't configure the telnet. So I am going to run password command. Password. So I am going to write Cisco password of this router. So if any other device is going to access this router, so you have to authorize with a password. Without password you can't access this router. After that, line VTY 024. This is line VTY virtual terminal. So we are going to take a remote access, that is virtually, and the number of device is going to connect is 0 to 4, means 5 device is completely access to this router at the same time. After that, password. So I am going to define a password, that is Cisco, and login. So I have configured the telnet command on this router. Then now I am going to trying to access this router from this PC. So I am going to access this router from this PC. The command we are using to access the router, the command is telnet and the router IP. Then you can see when I type 10.0.0.1 and telnet, so I have completely entered the router. It is asking the password, so I have configured Cisco enable, and the enable password is Cisco. You can see we are in router R1 now. So I am accessing my router from this PC. So I have taken the remote of this router from this device.